for Procter & Gamble. And I remember when I used to be on the Walmart team, so P&G Walmart team, calling on Walmart customer in Arkansas. And I had a team of people, team of multifunctionals. And I was selling hair color at the time, Clairol hair color at the time. And I remember, we had our team there in Arkansas, and then there was a team, a category, the hair care category in Cincinnati, where P&G is located. And whenever we would have, Cincinnati would always want to know the details of what we were doing on the Walmart team. They'd always want to know all the details. And at that time, we didn't have this great collaborative relationship. So there were some things we'd share, and there were other things that we wouldn't share. And so we always call the things that we would share our message track. And the whole point of a message track is to ensure that no matter who asks the question, they get the same response. It doesn't matter which person on the team they ask, the response is always the same. And they would always test it by saying, they come to me and ask me, hey, they'd ask me some question about the business, and I'd give them an answer. And then they'd wait a few minutes and they'd call my marketing manager and they'd ask her the same question and see if she'd give them a little bit of a different answer or some more insight than what they had before. And then they go to my finance guy and they'd ask him some, the same question to see if he'd give them a different answer. And what I always said was, it does not matter who you call. As the leader of this team, I have established the message track. I have established the way that we are thinking. I have set the vision, and therefore everybody on my team is going to sound like me because I'm the leader. And that is what was missing. That is what was missing. So Moses was indeed the leader. He sent out the 12 leaders of these tribes, but they were not all on message track. They were not all thinking the way that Moses was thinking. And that became the problem. They were defeated before they even began.